No, I like the KeMiMoto gear for sure. I like it. And once we got our new bikes, KeMiMoto they were like, here's a whole bunch of stuff. Because before, of course, we had a V-Strom and a Versys, so a lot of their gear, especially accessory gears and bags, not really designed for the adventure style bikes. But now we have cruisers, so KeMiMoto's like, hey, try these out. And I'm like, okay, I'm down, right? So this we're looking at right now, I'm already tearing the bag open, is the KeMiMoto Motorcycle Fork Bag. PU leather, right? Motorcycle roll bag, handlebar tool bag with internal zipper pockets for motorcycles, or sissy bar or whatever. Now, I'm not 100% sure where I'm gonna put this. And it may not be something that sits on the bike all the time, but storage is always good to have, even if you're just putting it on your bike on occasion. All right, so this is it here, $31 Canadian. That's not too bad. 341 ratings at time of filming, 4.5 stars, great. What does it say here? Enough capacity for your gloves, which is good, like your headphones. I don't know if you put your keys in there, but I get it. Like a wallet, that'd be good. And even for me, like having a spot that I can slide stuff in. We've gone through, you know, places where they hand you like a ticket for a ferry or something like this, and I'm like, I don't even know where to put that because I don't have a lot of storage in front of me. It's all behind me, so this could be good there. What does it have here? Enough room for, yeah, I get it. Side flaps, quick release buckle. They have it here on the fork, which is cool. Right there, it actually looks good on that bike. Motorcycle fork bag, handlebar bag, so you can put it on the forks below, handlebar above. Tail bag if you have like a sissy bar or anything like that. And of course, a little video. I always encourage you guys to go look at the videos if you want to see more information. But this is it right here, just so you guys can see it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it on one of the bikes just to see how it mounts. My guess is it's going to just kind of wrap around the straps. I would think there's probably a strap inside here, possibly, maybe. So these just pop open, just like that. It is a good size. Like, it's, right, like, it's that big. Because I know it's hard for you guys to really get a good feel. We crack it open. There's this. That's cool. And yeah, so you get a little, like a belt strap, and this is gonna be, my guess would be you could possibly use this for a couple things, depending. These would be what I would think would like tie around if you're gonna put it on your forks or something like that, just to have it. You get looks like 3 of them. So depending on how you want these mounted, I think you only need 2, but maybe they give you a spare just in case. Again, I'm not 100%. I'll have to go through and look, but nice. And they give you a bunch of zip ties, and I would think the zip ties, again, you would place them, I would think you'd place them along with this as kind of a safety. You may want to put these on. These are going to be, you know, give you that security that you really want. But yeah, that's a lot of space in there. I guess, I don't know if you can see that, right? It's plenty of room. You could put a whole bunch of tools in there, even if you had like a big wallet or something like that, for sure in there. Like it's lots. Like for me, I carry around, you could even put like action cams in there or extra batteries or all kind, like that's lots, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go put it on my bike. Again, I'm not gonna show you how I installed it because they have a video here that kind of shows you how to do that, so you guys can just watch that video. I'll put links to the Amazon site below. But I'll put it on and then we can get an idea of how it looks and what we think. Yeah. All right, guys, so outside, got the bag. I'm just gonna bring you down here just so you can see how you kind of put the straps on. So I got the straps installed, so this is how they go in. All right, so hopefully you can see this. Basically, if you look at the straps themselves, there's like almost like a rubbery side versus a smooth side. Of course, that rubber side is going to go inside. I fed them this way, so the pointy part kind of goes under and then over and under, so that when it wraps around the fork, of course, all you have to do is feed it through here, and you should be good. Do that on both sides, and do that ahead of time so you're not doing it on the actual forks. Now I go install them. All right, guys, so that took like I don't know, three seconds to install, just so you guys know. It doesn't take much time at all. So here they are. Ready? So that's it. Put on there. I think that looks pretty good. Pretty pleased with that. Right there. And like you see, they just mount around the actual forks right there for us. For me, it went in the second hole, and I was like, oh, the forks are so big, but not an issue. So it fits on there good. That's not going anywhere for sure. Be aware, if you get caught in any kind of rain, I'd say that's not going to do you a whole lot of good. Anything inside there will probably get wet. But for like days like today, I think that would be nice, and you know, really easy to take on and off. Plus, you just, you know, super simple, one-handed to kind of get into it. Yeah, very nice. All right, so that's the fork bag. Now it can also go down there on the fork, like down low by the fender. It can go up higher if you have the space. You can put it like near the handlebars if you didn't have, like we have on ours, like bat wings, or if you have like a rear pillion, or you know, like an area on the back, you could mount that on there as well. So lots of spaces, and gives you enough room. So for the price, I think it's pretty good. I'll leave links below if you guys are interested at all in picking up one of these KeMiMoto bags, and more motorcycle stuff coming up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.